Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to make this delicious chicken and shrimp garlic butter sauce that is ready in under 10 minutes. Without wasting any more time, let's get into this. Okay, so what you're gonna need 12 ounces of shrimp, peeled, cleaned and deveined, 2 chicken breasts, 1 red onions, butter, 6 cloves of garlic. You're gonna need seasoning, balsamic vinaigrette, lemon, parsley, green onion. So to make the lemon vinaigrette sauce that we're going to use later, you're going to add 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinaigrette, and then to that you're going to add the juice from 1 lemon. Okay, so you're going to mix these two together and set it aside. So that's what we're going to use instead of alcohol, because we're not going to use alcohol to cook this sauce. So you're going to mix it together and then you're going to set it aside just like so. So now you're going to go ahead and crush 6 garlic cloves and then you're going to set it aside as well. So for this recipe, I'm only going to use half onion. So I'm going to julienne this onion and then I'm going to set it aside. I'm going to chop the green onions all the way to the leafy parts. I'm not going to use all of the leafy parts. So that's it. So I'm going to put this one aside for later. So I'm going to cut the parsley and then I'm going to set it aside as well. Okay, so now I'm going to chop the chicken into my desired size. So feel free to cut it into whatever size you want, but I prefer it in small cubes. So just like so. So that's how I'm cutting mine. So feel free to cut yours into whatever size. So now let's start cooking, guys. So in a clean pan, you're gonna go in with 1 tablespoon of olive oil. So that you're gonna add half stick of butter, and then you're gonna allow the butter to melt just a little bit. Then you're gonna add your chicken breast. So now I'm gonna bring in the julienne onions. I'm gonna add it to the chicken, and I'm gonna let the chicken saute with the onion and butter. So I'm gonna season with some seasoning, a little bit of black pepper, and a little bit of salt. Okay, I'm going to give it a gentle stir and I'm going to allow it to cook. Then I'll flip to the other side to let the other side cook as well. So while that is going on, I'm going to go ahead and prepare my thickener. So I'm going to use 1 cup of chicken broth. To that I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and I'm going to mix it and set it aside. So that's what I'm going to use to thicken my sauce. Okay, so after mixing my thickener, I'm going to go ahead and bring in my shrimp. I'm going to go ahead, I'll add the shrimp to the pan and I'm going to add the garlic to the shrimp. I'm going to bring in the remaining butter. Then I will let this shrimp saute in the garlic and butter. So after about 15 seconds, I'll go ahead and bring in the lemon vinaigrette sauce. I'm going to pour it on top and I'm going to let everything cook. I'll bring in the chopped green onions. I'll give it a gentle stir. And then I'm going to go ahead and add my thickener and then I will stir gently. Lastly, I will bring in my Italian parsley, and then that's it, guys. Your chicken and shrimp garlic butter sauce is ready in under 10 minutes. Okay, so you can serve this with white rice, with spaghetti pasta, with macaroni, or you can enjoy it on its own as a standalone meal. Okay, so besides the prep work, this dish takes less than 10 minutes to cook, but the flavor is absolutely unforgettable. Thank you so much, ninjas, for watching. I will see you in the next delicious episode. Again, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the Food Ninja for more delicious and easy recipes. Okay, turn on the notification bell so you never miss any new upload from the Food Ninja. Leave your comments in the comment section below. What do you think about this delicious meal? Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Do have yourself a very blessed and prosperous weekend. Thank you. Bye bye. So, guys, leave your comments in the comment section below. What would you rather eat this sauce with? Will you pair it with white rice? Will you pair it with spaghetti, with macaroni? Let me know what you're going to use with this delicious sauce. Look at that sauce, guys. Look at the shrimp. Look at that chicken. Very succulent, very juicy. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Super delicious. Thank you so much, guys, for watching to the end. I'll see you in the next delicious episode. Thank you. Bye bye.